Congratulations! You win $1,000.
Dad?
That's a lottery.
A lottery?
Sometimes people win money.
$1,000?
Yep.
That looked awesome. Yeah. If I won, the first thing I'd buy is a new bike helmet. Hey. Harvey, look, is this a lottery? Is this a lottery? It's a scratch ticket. Can we scratch it? Yeah. Do you think it's a winner? I don't know. I see a number. What number? I can't tell. Let me see. 1,000. $1,000? I think so. We're rich! I can buy everything! Can you buy pizza? Yes, 2 pizzas. Nice. I can buy those shoes! And those! You only have 2 feet. I'll buy more later. Emma, put it back. I'll buy it for you. Huh? With what? My lottery money. Are you crazy? Emma, I won the lottery. I'll buy this whole store.
I don't believe you. Jack, you still have a hole in your sock.
Dad, I won the lottery. Get the big one.
The big one?
Yeah, I'll buy it for you.
Really? Oh? How much did you win?
$1,000.
Wow, that's a lot of money.
I know. So I can buy you this massage chair and a new bike. Jack, don't forget my pizza. I won't. I'll buy you a big pizza with extra cheese. Yes. Mom, I won the lottery. We have $1,000.
1,000?
Yes, we're rich.
That's nice, sweetheart. Let's go.
Dad, look at my ticket. I won $1,000.
Your ticket? Let me see. It says $1,000.
Wait, did Jack really win the lottery?
See? I told you.
It really says $1,000.
Wow, how did you get so lucky?
Don't worry, I'll buy you one too. Maybe you won't win 1,000 hours, but maybe you'll win 5.
Okay, the money is real. We need a good plan.
Absolutely. We can't waste it.
First, we're paying the water bill.
First, we're taking a vacation.
Michael, the water bill comes first.
Dad, Mom, it's my lottery ticket. Can I decide how to spend the money?
Of course. It's your money, Jack. Just don't forget us.
Do you still remember this hat?
I said I'd buy it for you.
Really?
Yes, it's yours. Jack, is it pizza time? Yes! Let's get the biggest one.
An extra cheese?
Of course! One big pizza, please.
My treat.
You can pay me back later.
Deal! Best day ever!
Jack, can I ask you something?
Sure.
Our vacuum is very old. Can we buy a new one?
Mom, I thought you wanted to pay the water bill.
The water bill can wait. This is more important.
Okay. Let's get this one. Dad! Go try it!
Really?
Yes! I'll come back and buy it for you.
Oh, this is nice.
Dad? Do you like it?
I love it.
Good.
We'll be back. Jack, before we go home, let's get your prize.
Then we don't have to come back. And then we can eat the pizza.
Hi, how can I help you?
I won the lottery! $1,000! I want my prize.
Congratulations. Let's check your ticket. Oh,
Where's my prize?
let me explain. Jack, do you see this number?
Yes, 1,000.
I know why you thought that. That's the game number. But I'm sorry, Jack. This ticket didn't win.
I didn't? I'm sorry. I really thought I won.
It's okay. We'll have plenty more chances. Well, I haven't opened the vacuum yet. We can still return it.
My hat is brand new. I can return it too. We haven't eaten the pizza yet, but can we still return it?
No. We're not taking anything back.
Ah.
We needed these things anyway. We were going to buy them, sooner or later. Jack, when you thought you won, you weren't thinking about yourself. You wanted everyone to be happy.
You know, I wanted a new vacuum today.
Really?
But I got something even better. I got to see my little boy thinking about everyone else.
Look at us. Look at us. I haven't seen this family smile this much in a long time. You can't buy that.
So, here's what we're gonna do. We're keeping everything.
Everything?
Every single thing.
Oh. We did keep everything. I think we still won today.
Why?
Because I still got my pizza.